Hi, Jim. My name is Hanuman. In the previous video, you have understood that how to use the lambda expressions. Okay, how to implement the lambda expressions for functional interfaces. Okay, using lambda expressions, we have implemented the functional interfaces. So, in this video, as a next part of this Java S8 features, we are going to see the forEach method. Okay, in this video you are going to see the forEach method. Basically, what is the forEach method and what is the purpose of forEach method? Okay, so basically if you want to understand what is the use of forEach method, okay, forEach method, this internally uses, okay, forEach also internal uses the normal for only for method. Okay, we'll use, right, that for loop. Previously we'll use that for loop. Here we will provide int I is equals to 0 colon 9 less than or equal to 10 something you will use, right? Okay, the another for is also there for int I, and after that there is one colon and some list, like this we will use, right? This is also okay. These two fors we until we use. Okay, so after Java 8 there is one another for each method introduced. Okay, so using that for each method, what type of data you will perform operations, or what we will exactly do, that we will see in this video. Okay, so I'll remove this one. So basically this for each method you use, this method is used to print the collection data. Okay, basically this for each method is used to print the collection data. Okay, so collection data means the data which is stored in list, means as a array list, linked list, vector, stack, and after that set. Okay, set is also there. Set means hash set, tree set, linked hash set, and another one is map. Okay, map, here we will store the data in a key and value pair. So basically this for each method, there is some internal implementations available for this for each. Okay, so basically this for each method internally uses the for the regular for only. So and the for each method will take a consumer as an argument. Okay, basically the consumer is one of the functional interfaces which consist of an single abstract method. The name of the method is accept. So while looking examples, I will let you know what is the internal implementation of this for each method, which functional interface it uses. Okay, so before that, I will use one a string list of strings. Okay, so working with the list of string. Okay, list of string. Here I will take some of the places. So while if you want to store the data in a list, so we will use this arrays. List is similar to the array only, but the difference between arrays and list is that array is fixed in a size and list is an odd dynamic in a size. Okay, so here what I will do, I will use some of the string places. Okay, Maharashtra, Maharashtra. Second one, Karnataka. Third one, Hyderabad. Hyderabad. Fourth one, which one? Fourth one is nothing but our our Prayagraj. Okay, because the Kumbh Mela is going on where in Prayagraj. So on this list, okay, this is a list of places. Okay, so on this, I want to use the for each method. Okay, so for that, what I will do, I will take places, the list of places, and for each. See, as I mentioned over here, I mentioned right. Basically, this for each method uses what consumer as an functional interface. I will click on that. So we will see what is the for each method. See, the for each method internally uses what our simple for only. This for, as I mentioned. Okay, see. For each element of the or until all elements have been processed or the action throws an exception. Actions are performed in the order of iteration if that order is specified. Exception thrown by the action are related to the caller. Okay. This is the internal implementation of for each method. That is a normal for. So this for each method will take a consumer as an argument. Okay. So what is the consumer? And I will open this one as well. See. This is a consumer. In the previous video, you have seen that consumer, what are the functional interface, some of the things, functional interfaces. So this is a functional interfaces which will consist of an abstract method. The name of the method is accept, which will not return anything. Okay, right? Accept. So like this, the internal implementation of for each method is available. So here, what I need to do, I want to print. Okay, using for what we'll do, we will print one by one. So like that only in this using this for each also we will do. Okay, rather than writing the for loop, we will directly use what we want to print. So here we need to take one argument. Okay, this is called as argument. Okay, in the last video I mentioned that key whenever you are going to provide the expression implementation using the lambda expression, so we need to follow the syntax. The syntax consists of arrow, argument list, and after that the expression. Okay, so this is a place is nothing but an argument list. After that the syntax. Okay, the arrow, then our sort. So after that what I'll give, see here, if I'll use place, then it will print one by one. Okay, so here we are providing the expression. Okay, so here I will remove this one. Okay, see, if I use place here, okay, so how we will get values, right? Here I will compile the code and run the code. See, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Hyderabad, and Prayagraj. So one by one. In previously, how we will do? You will print one by one using for. You will print one by one, one by one, one by one at the index position and some other thing we will use to print the value. So in this case, if I use these places, we will get the values. Okay. If I use these places here, still we will get the values, but which values we will get? Or see, this is this for each work for one each and every element present in that array list. So first of all, what will check, if I use these places, first of all check this Maharashtra is there. So the index value is available. So what it will do, it will print Maharashtra, Karnataka, Hyderabad, Prayagraj. So after that, what it will do, it will go for second index. There is also Karnataka is there. Due to the availability of values here, it will print all the values because we are using here places. So it will print all these places which are values available inside these places. Now those values it will print. So we'll see. Okay, I'm going to save it and I will compile it and run it. See, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Hyderabad, Prayagraj, Maharashtra, Karnataka. See, 4 times you have printed. So while you are writing the lambda expression, you need to take care of these things. Okay, if you do little mistakes, then you will not get the desired output. So I have I'm saving. I'll save it and I will Clear, compile it and run. See, this is our desired output. So that's why you are getting this. So after that, what I will do, I will use some integers. Okay, list of integers. So you have seen the string value, but now I will take integer. Integer value I want to print number equals to. So while taking the integer also, we will the first thing is we are using the list. So if you want to take the values inside list, then we need to use arrays as a list. Inside that we will provide some of the numbers. Okay, number is nothing but I will use 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6. Okay, these are the numbers I am going to take as a list. So if I want to work on this number, if I want to work on this number using the for each, still same, okay, same implementation we will do as a product for the string places. No? So like that only we will be going to provide the implementation. Yes, out. Then what? Yes, out. Then I will remove and save it. We will see clear, compare it and run it. See one by one. If I use once again the number, then you will see how we will get. See, so this output will no, you don't require, right? So here I will keep as it is now. So we will get correct output. This output we require. This is how we will work using the for each on the collection data. So in the next example, we are going to check some external class. You are going to print some external class, okay, details or data using the for each. So for that reason only I have created one student class. Okay, this one is created earlier, but now I'll use this one. The student ID, student name, the marks. Okay, so this is the constructor I have created. So I will use this one. Okay, to print the student data, I will use for each. Okay, in real-time project we will come across this type of things only. We will not get this the Maharashtra, Karnataka, Hyderabad and Prayagraj, and these are the simple things with this class is also a simple only, but like this only there are a number of the fields, right? Name, mass, ID, some other details also, email, contact number, so many things will come under this. So how we will work on this data using the for each, we will see in this example. So for that, what I will do, I will use one list of student. Okay, list of student list is equals to, okay, student list is equal to, actually I took the list only, so for that I'll use arrays dot as list. Inside this, how we will if you want to add the data inside this list of the student, then how I will do, we need to provide the value using the constructor, student. Here I will use 101. After that, name is Alakananda. Alakananda. Marks are 80%, 80.25. Okay. After that, I will give some comma and give another data. New student equal to 111 Alakananda Bhagirathi. Bhagirathi and marks are 90.50. So, and another last example, I'll add new student. Here I will add some 121 that Kaveri, and the percentage of Kaveri is 92. Say take 92. Okay, we have added this data inside this student list. So in this also we will use what we will use. We will use the forEach method to print this data. Okay, this is also a very simple example, but if you want to understand how the forEach method is used in this to print the collection data, so for that reason I'm taking this example. So here I will use student list dot forEach. So here what I need to do, here I need to provide the argument list and the expression, right, using the lambda. So here I will use the lambda expression. The syntax of lambda expression is nothing but this one. So after that, I have to provide one here argument list student. Okay, I'm taking student only. Okay, we are working with the student list, so that's why I'm taking student only. So after that, here I will use the SO because you are printing the data. So here I will provide means how I will print my data live. So what I need to do, student dot sid, okay, plus then student dot name. As usual, how we will print our data like that only I am printing here all the data plus student dot marks delete. This is how we will use the lambda expressions to print the data with the help of for each. So I will, what I will do, I will print, okay, I will save this one and I will compile it again. I will compile it again. Java C, Java C, Alaknanda, Bhagirathi and Kaveri. Alaknanda, Bhagirathi and Kaveri. When you are using the list, na, that time the insertion order is preserved. Okay, insertion order is preserved. So you no need to worry about the insertion order. But if you are working with the set, na, then the insertion order is not preserved. I will take that example also. Okay, the similar example only I am going to take here. But see, I will copy this example. I will enter the control C. So here I will student set. Here I'll make set. Here we need to make us where here we will make set dot off. Okay, basically set dot off method is there for the set. Okay, set interface. You know, there are some little differences between the list and set. Where list stores the duplicate values, set don't store the duplicate values, and also list what we can say, the list insertion order is preserved in the list, but inside the set the insertion order is not maintained. Okay, okay, we'll see. Okay, we have inserted data like, see, this id c 101 111 and 121, but we will see how the things will work with this one. Okay, so this is a set. Okay, students set. We'll check. Here I'll give one some line, yes, outing. To understand properly. Combine. Oh my God, sorry. Sorry. Okay. Here I made a mistake. Huh? I need to. Now it's fine, but we'll compile successfully. See the insertion order hot and the output is like hot. 111 first, 121 second, the 101. But we are inserted data like 101 first, 111 second, and 121 at the end. This is how the set will works. Okay. And after that, we will see this is the second example. Okay. Then we will see write some of the things using the map. Okay. How will or each will work with the map. First of all, I will take one simple example. After that, we will work with some other data as well. So basically, the map stores the data like key and value here. So for that reason, when you're working with the map, then you need to take two types of data. One is string, means key, as a key value. Either your key and values both are string only, either they are both are integer only, or they are string and integer. Any type of data we will use, okay, while working with the map. So first of all, I will take string and second one is take integer. Okay. So for that, as as I took right this Alaknanda Bhagirathi Kaveri only, I will take that only. So map data is equal to map dot of. See, this is key values coming. Okay. Editor will do these things. So here I will provide key as a string, right? Then what I will do in this, I will do uh, string, right? String and integer as a value. So what I will do, I will provide these names, right? Alagnanda, Bhagirathi and Kaveri as a string key. Okay, and the values of value is nothing but their character size, means number of characters they consist. Okay, that I will use as a value. So here I will use string as a Alakananda. Alakananda, and value is nothing but 10, sorry, 10. Maybe it contains 10. Okay. The second one is nothing but Bhagirathi. Bhagirathi, comma, 12. Right. After that, I will provide a Kaveri, Kaveri, comma 6. Okay. These are the value. See, if you are working with the editor now, then you will get that key, what exactly you are providing to particular collections. Okay. What is this? This is what, this is what, this is a key, this is value, like that. See, here also say student. If you are using this constructor, okay, using this constructor, you are providing the values, right? Then it will mention like SID means student ID, student name, marks. This is the advantages of using with this editor. But in the Eclipse, they will show at the time of starting, but they will show compilation time also if you are miss something. But here in the Visual Studio Code, you will get this like things. Okay. So after this, what I will do, I will use on this map data also, map data dot for each. Here we need to check one little things. Okay, for each. See, previously, whenever you are using this for each now, say for list and set, see, only we are getting here what? Here we are getting the consumer. But for map data, right? See what exactly it will come in. But I will show you. If you are working with the map, right? See here. By consumer. Okay. For map data, if you want to work with the map data, then the internal it will accept the by consumer arguments. Okay. The implementation is similar only. Internal implementation of for which okay. See for this for okay. But it will use the by consumer. Here it will take it will take two k and v. Okay. K and value. Key and value. It will take key and value. If you want to if you want to get the key, then you will use the get key method, and if you want to get a value, then you will use the get value. Okay. And it also internally say the accept method only accept key value, right? You can see also this by consumer. See, by consumer represents an operation that accepts two input arguments and returns no results. Okay, it will accept two arguments and it will not returns result and returns no result. Means white accept. It will accept two. But when you are working with consumer, it will take only one argument. But when working with the by consumer, it will take two arguments and returns white. Means no. Like that only you will implement or will provide the expressions for the same. Okay, here I will take some key values. What which variable I will take? I will take m and n. Okay, m comma n. After that, we need to provide the we are providing that just the lambda expression, right? Using the lambda. So inside that, what will give? I will provide some string e dot plus m. Okay, right? E dot plus m, and after that plus I'll give some space value dot. This is how we are going to get our values. So I will clear these things. Java compile, run. See, key is a Kaveri. The value is 6. Okay. After the key is Bhagirathi, the value is 12. After that key is Alakananda, 10. What if I will provide the same key again here? I know you all are aware of that one. Okay? So here I will provide Alakananda. 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 Hello, I will give anything over. Oh, sorry. Hello, I will give 14. I will save it. We'll check if it will work or not. Compile. Exception in thread main. Illegal argument exception duplicate key. Right. That's what I use this one. Okay, see here the values are printed or not, not, right? While working with the map data, you always, each and everyone knows the duplicates are not allowed, right? That's what only I want to show you. One error, what is the error? Mm. What is the error? Let us know. The error is nothing but what? We need to remove this one. Then it will okay. Then it will okay. It will compile successfully without an issue. Hmm. Right? So how we will take these things. So at the end, what we will do in this example, we will print this the student data, okay, using the map. So for that, what I will do, map integer. I will take integer, okay, integer, comma, what we need to take student. We are going to print the student data. So after that, map data, student, student. Okay. So here we need to provide the all these data, right? This data we need to. So for that, I will take this one. We are going to provide map dot off, and inside this you need to do all the data. Also data. Okay. Sounds okay, fine. Not an issue. Go, 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 go. Right, right. Why I'm moving this one means the reliability of code will be good. This is why map data. Okay. Here also we will use the forEach. Map data student dot forEach. So here we need to provide the by consumer key value pair. Okay. So first of all, I have missed something here. Okay. Here I need to provide one. After that here two. After that here three. Like this I need to provide, but I missed. Not an issue. But okay, because here we are storing the data as a key value here. This one, two, three is my keys, and these the student objects values are all my values. Okay, right. So if you want to provide the implementation, then we need to use some key and value here using the lambda expressions. And inside this, I will use a so and yes, set I use. So here, what I will do, I will print, right. So basically, one key, right? Key is nothing but my key. After that, I will use some space, right? My values. What is my values? Plus v dot sid, right? Like this only I will do. Plus v dot isName at the end. Plus v dot marks. Now I will save I'll compile it. I compiled successfully. I run successfully. Three. I will give some line here. Okay. Printing student data using the printing the student map data using forEach method. Mhm. I saved it. Printing the student map data using the forEach. How? Because most of the time you will work with these things only. One is the list, second one is the set, and last one is the map. Okay. So collection framework, while you are working with the collection data, then you will use these things only. So in this video, we have covered all these right collections types with the for each. Okay, as I mentioned, for each, this method is used to print the collection data, and for list and set it internally uses the consumer functional interface, but for the map, it internally uses the by consumer functional interface. That's it. This is about the for each method. Okay, that's it for this video. We will see next thing, next feature from Java set in the next video. Please subscribe, share my channel. Okay, thank you so much.